So I have a bow tie like this. Here, palm up, and grab. This is good control. Okay? Here, I can control his whole upper body with this. It's like a Kimura grip. Here. Okay, so now I want to trick him. Chances are he's probably not going to have his hand on the mat like that. Okay, he's probably going to be, you can have it on, yes. Okay, so look what I want to do. Boom. Force him to post out. Or else he's going to go over. Leg out, up. See how the arm was already across from the bow tie? Here, lock up the triangle.
More triangle.
Okay, now he's going to start to posture up. Leg over. Finish with the arm bar.
And then we have that sequence.
Yes.
Also for the Bowtie To. Same stuff.
Kind of, but you're just going to...
First going for the 2.
Yeah, and you're going to cross the feet on the arm bar. So here, grab, shove this to this hand, feed it to this hand. Here, alright? Kick, make a post. If he brings the hand inside, he's doing his job, you know, boom. If he brings the hand inside, look. Okay? Make a post, yeah. Boom, up, catch triangle. Here, adjust, tap. Let him go a little bit, let him posture. Okay? Here, wrist, catch, under, here, kick high, make him post, pull the leg out, if you have to, push the bicep, kick over, here, lock up the triangle, make him tap, let him posture, cross your feet, here, okay? Why is this is like one of the only arm bars you do from your guard with your feet crossed. If I do it uncrossed, he takes this arm, pushes my foot off his head. Whoop. Stand. If I have my feet crossed, it's locked onto my other foot. And I finish. One more time.
It's the only way you keep the only way you want to keep it crossed? Your feet crossed?
From the guard.
So he's
It's the only way. The only time I want to keep my feet crossed is when both my feet are on his head. Normally, one's here, behind his arm.
You got the frame.
So you don't have to worry about it. Here. Boom. Now look, kick. Don't kick here. Kick in the armpit like you're doing a flower sweep or pendulum sweep. See? That makes it post. Here. If you're not flexible enough, kick this away. Up. Over. Just. Let him tap. Loosen up. Let him posture. Cross. Okay?
On that finish.